I'm sitting in the home of TJ, the next big thing out of Little Rock, Arkansas. TJ, how you doing today, man?
Doing good, man. Just chilling, you know, making music. That's what I do.
All right, man. I'm excited about this interview, man. Let's get straight into it.
All right.
Now, for the people who haven't heard any of your music or seen any of your videos, who is TJ?
TJ, in a nutshell, I'm a rapper coming out of Little Rock, Arkansas, just holding it down, just trying to do big things. Been rapping since the age of 15, just really down to earth, soulful, you know, just keeping it real is what I try to do. And since I started rapping at 15, it's been escalating ever since. Started off as a poet, and then that just kind of evolved into rapping, and then I started making beats, started my own company, and then it just kind of grew and blew up from there.
When TJ is not producing, recording tracks, or running a record label,
coming up next, we're going to listen to a little Donis.
you can probably catch him co-hosting the Concrete Schoolyard, an underground hip-hop show on the U of A's student-ran radio station, KXUA 88.3. So you're kind of like a triple threat. You're a producer, you're an artist, and you on your own record label. That's pretty impressive for a 23-year-old.
Right. It's just me having fun doing hard work.
All right, well, recently, speaking of hard work, you had your single, Breakfast and Biggie, played on Rap Fix Live on MTV with Sway and Ja Rule as a guest host. When you saw that, how did it affect you? How did it make you feel when you saw your video on MTV?
Really surprised. That's how I felt. First of all, I was sick, so I was woken up really quickly after I got the email. I was already late because they were supposed to Skype with me, and so all I got to do was watch the reaction. And so while I'm sitting there at my computer waiting for them to get to the part, my mouth is like gaping open. And you know, after I watched it, everybody was like, this is it. And then in my mind, I'm like, that's the precursor. That means everything from here is from this level on up. You know, basically I'm taking nothing less, you know.
Reporting for UATV, I'm Bernard Oliver.